Is it really possible to reverse gray hair naturally? Yes, and today I'll show you how. I'll walk you through signs to watch for, lifestyle changes, and a few DIY recipes using ingredients likely already in your kitchen. So stick with me till the end. We know hair color can be reversed. In an immunotherapy trial published in JAMA Dermatology, patients' gray hair darkened after treatment. Why? Because melanin, the pigment in hair, was reactivated. So yes, it's possible when follicles are stimulated the right way. Hair goes through cycles. As follicles age, they lose pigment, mainly due to genetics. But other factors, like stress, hormones, and nutrition, can also speed up graying. Stress, for example, can cause hair loss, and regrowth often comes back gray. Some embrace gray as a sign of wisdom. Others prefer to slow it down. If you're in the latter group, here's what to do. Manage stress and sleep. Melatonin helps with deep sleep. Ashwagandha reduces cortisol and supports hormonal balance. Boost key nutrients. Biotin. B7 helps strengthen hair and is found in eggs, milk, and bananas. Vitamin B12 deficiency is common, especially over 60, and often linked to premature graying. Copper is essential for melanin. Aim for 1.5 to 2.5 milligrams per day from foods like shellfish, seeds, and chocolate. Natural DIY remedies. Coconut oil. Massage into scalp overnight, 3 times a week. Blackstrap molasses. 1 tablespoon every other day. Make sure it's from sugarcane. Ghee. Massage 2 times a week. Gray hair doesn't always mean aging or illness. It's often just genetics. But with the right steps, you can support your natural color longer or even help it return. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.